Many legendary actors have emerged from Pakistan's drama industry over the years, but only a few have earned a place among the greatest through their extraordinary talent and unforgettable performances. One of those names is Numan Ejaz. Calling him just an actor would not do justice to his career. He is a performer who brings every character to life so convincingly that audiences often forget they are watching fiction. This is why he is widely regarded as one of Pakistan's finest and most versatile actors. Numan Ejaz was born on February 14, 1965 in Lahore, Pakistan. He grew up in an educated family where academics were highly valued. He completed his early education in Lahore and later earned a Bachelor of Laws, LLB, degree. Before entering show business, he even considered pursuing a career in law, but destiny had different plans. In 1988, Numan Ejaz began his acting career with Pakistan Television, PTV. Like many newcomers, he started with small roles. However, his natural acting style, powerful voice, and commanding screen presence quickly caught the attention of producers and directors. At the time, PTV was experiencing its golden era, and it became the perfect platform for him to showcase his exceptional talent. As his career progressed, he was offered increasingly challenging roles. Unlike many actors who preferred to play only heroes, Numan Ejaz embraced every kind of character. Whether portraying a loving father, a strict teacher, a politician, a police officer, or a ruthless villain, he delivered each performance with remarkable authenticity. This ability to adapt to any role became one of the defining qualities of his career. Over more than 3 decades in the entertainment industry, Numan Ejaz has appeared in numerous successful television dramas. Some of his most celebrated projects include Doop Kinare, Man Mayal Aur Angreza Darshi Jati Hai Sila, Parizaad Sangi Mah Bismil Jalan, and several other acclaimed productions. His performances in these dramas have consistently received praise from both audiences and critics. One of Numan Ejaz's greatest strengths is his versatility. He is equally convincing in both positive and negative roles. When he plays a villain, viewers genuinely dislike the character, yet they admire his brilliant performance. When he portrays an emotional or sympathetic role, audiences connect deeply with the character. This rare ability is what sets him apart from many of his contemporaries. His expressive facial expressions, commanding dialogue delivery, and emotional depth have made him one of Pakistan's most respected actors. Many young performers consider him a role model and study his work to improve their own acting skills. In addition to acting, Numan Ejaz has also worked as a successful television host. His confidence, wit, and engaging personality made him equally popular as a presenter, further strengthening his reputation in Pakistan's entertainment industry. Despite his fame, Numan Ejaz has always preferred to keep his personal life private. He is married to Rabia Numan, and the couple has 3 sons. His eldest son, Xavier Numan Ejaz, has followed in his father's footsteps and is now building a successful acting career of his own. Throughout his remarkable career, Numan Ejaz has received numerous nominations and awards for his outstanding performances. In recognition of his contributions to Pakistani television, the government of Pakistan honored him with the prestigious Pride of Performance Award, one of the country's highest civilian honors for excellence in the arts. Numan Ejaz is also known for his outspoken personality. Over the years, several of his public statements have sparked discussions on social media, but he has always remained true to his opinions. He believes that acting is more than just entertainment. It is a responsibility and a reflection of society. Even after nearly 4 decades in the industry, Numan Ejaz remains one of Pakistan's most admired actors. Whenever a new drama featuring him is announced, audiences eagerly anticipate its release because they know they are about to witness a masterclass in acting. Today, Numan Ejaz is not just an actor. He is an institution in Pakistan's drama industry. Through hard work, dedication, and exceptional talent, he has proven that true artists are remembered not for their fame, but for the unforgettable characters they create. That is why his name continues to be spoken with great respect among the greatest actors in Pakistan's television history. Which Numan Ejaz performance is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more fascinating biographies of legendary personalities.